In this video, I would like to show you how to link a MyMathLab account directly into your Moodle course. When you sign into our Moodle course, this is the main page that you will see. Go down to the first main block until you see My Lab and Mastering link. You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to this page here, and click on Open My Lab and Mastering. And then at this point, you have two choices. If you have a previous Pearson account, you can go ahead and log in and use your password here. And then if you don't have an account yet, which I think most of you, this will be your situation, you can go ahead and do it here. I'm going to try to create an account, just pretending that I'm doing that. And I'm going to just put in some names and information. Let's just go ahead and put this part in. And then, of course, you're going to have to hit I accept the license. And then create an account. Now, this is an important page. If you are not ready to purchase an access code yet, you don't have to do that right away. Down below here, you can get a temporary access without payment for 14 days. You just need to make sure that you purchase the access code before the temporary trial ends, and all your work that you have done will be transferred. Now, if you have an access code from either buying a new textbook bundled with an access code or access code alone, then you can go ahead and click on this tab and enter in your access code. Now, I'm going to switch the screen right now and show you what would happen after you have created an account. Now, after you have log into Moodle again, when you go down to the same tab, My Lab and Mastering link again, you should be able to just click on this. And because you have linked MyMathLab directly into your Moodle course, you will be able to go into it directly from there. Now, the most important thing while we're here is that you will go to your homework area, and this is where you will see different assignments for each week, and it will be very clear when the due date is and all that. I will stop here.